トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか
？Come back to our weekly edition. So we're going to discuss one simple project called flushing toilet sound. So actually, in our costumes for this sprite, we're going to actually create different kind of sprite face. Okay, and we have the black face and the white face. Okay, to simulate the mouth movement. And you will also have another sprite for the eyes, the movement of the eyes. Okay, so let's look at the code for the face. Okay, so for the face, what we'll have is actually we'll set the sound to speak Japanese, and we set the pitch to 100, and we're going to switch to the black face, and then we're going to wait. Then we actually will transit to different costumes, and then we wait for 5 seconds. Then we actually repeat it for 5 times, and then we check the costume, and then equal to 5. If not, we keep on repeating the costumes, and we will wait 0.5 seconds. Then if it's equal to 3, we actually will switch. Okay, costume number -1. Okay, reduce the costume number and then wait for 0.5. And we let it speak. Okay, in Japanese. Okay. So basically, what does the Japanese say is actually, where is the toilet? Then we have that eye movement. Okay, so the eye will move, and actually by using the next costumes, okay, forever. Then when it's going to the toilet wash, so you will have an event called wash, and this eye will hide. So for the background wise, we have a couple of backgrounds. We have the dark backgrounds, we have the bathroom backgrounds, we have the toilet bowl backgrounds and the flushing toilets with the water, and there's a device here. Okay, so the device is actually the Ultima sound flushing, which is very common in Japan when you make the sound of flushing. Okay, let's look at the code. So basically the code is very simple. We just switch the background to the first one, which is the black screen, the black background, and then we play a music with the mystery screws, and then when we reach the wash, then we will stop all the music, and then we switch the toilet, and wait, and then we change the toilet sound, and then we start the sound of the flushing sound, then we switch the toilet, okay, with the water coming down, and then wait for 5 seconds, and we switch to this the Ultima sound flushing, okay, device. Okay, and put in 5 seconds, and let's enjoy the demo, and wish you all the best for the weekend, and a nice day ahead. Bye bye.
トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？